The benefits of using baking soda in a toilet tank.
In this video, we will explore the numerous benefits of using baking soda in your toilet tank. You might be surprised to find out how this simple, cost-effective household item can improve the cleanliness and functionality of your toilet.
Why use baking soda in a toilet tank?
Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a versatile, environmentally friendly cleaner that can be used for various household tasks, including toilet maintenance. By simply adding it to your toilet tank, you can enjoy several benefits, such as preventing stains, eliminating odors, unclogging pipes, extending the lifespan of your toilet's components.
How does baking soda prevent stains?
The minerals present in water can cause stains and buildup on the inside of your toilet tank. Baking soda acts as a natural cleaning agent that breaks down these minerals, preventing stains from forming and keeping your toilet looking pristine.
Can baking soda really eliminate odors?
Yes, it can. Baking soda is known for its ability to neutralize odors. When you add it to your toilet tank, it helps control unpleasant smells by neutralizing the acids that cause them, ensuring a fresh and clean bathroom experience.
How does baking soda unclog pipes?
Baking soda, when combined with hot water, can help to dissolve grease and other buildups in your toilet's pipes. This is especially useful for older pipes that may be prone to clogs. By maintaining a clean and clear drainage system, you can prevent costly plumbing issues in the future.
How does baking soda extend the lifespan of toilet components?
By keeping your toilet tank clean and free of mineral buildup, baking soda helps to reduce wear and tear on the toilet's components. This means that parts like the flapper and fill valve will last longer, saving you money on repairs and replacements in the long run. In summary, using baking soda in your toilet tank offers numerous benefits, from preventing stains and eliminating odors to unclogging pipes and extending the lifespan of toilet components. So, next time you're looking for an affordable and eco-friendly way to maintain your toilet, consider reaching for that box of baking soda.